Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. Unfortunately you cannot see the grid lines, however maybe this way. As you can see here, we've got them. Basically, I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to go to the settings icon, so just tap on the gear icon and tap on menu. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find reset settings and confirm it with OK. Alright, so here we've got actually the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because if we will open the camera for the very first time after the initial configuration, we will be able to choose the shutter button shortcut. So this is the first evidence, and the second one is that the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.